Good evening, everybody. I welcome you to my channel. Here's another coin I found. It's Guyana coin 2005. I guess I was right when I say I have most of the war coin, and I invite people to visit my channel and see all the universal coin I have. This one might be the last one I'm going to record. No, I think I have one more. Anyway, so I thought I put this one there too. This is the only coin I found that is of Guyana. The rest I cannot identify them yet, so I'll just try to identify them as soon as I can. Now the other side of this coin is said $1, Bank of Guyana, rice harvest. They must be making a lot of rice there. So this is what is said on this side, rice harvest. So that's about it. 2005, $1 I think. Yeah, it's $1. So that's it. I thank you all for watching. Good night. Bye bye.